I will make about the ID or idol is that it is for free. Libre po yan. Kung may magbabayad dyan, ay ang mga recruitment agencies. We made it very clear that it would be available to OFWs for free. Paulit-ulit namin sinasabi yan dahil may mga, ewan ko anong agenda nila na pinapalabas na mayroong bayad. Amounting to about 500 up to 700. As I said, libre po yan. And they only need to access the website idol.ph and register to avail of the free ID. We are currently finalizing some necessary details in ensuring the security of both the website and the OFW ID.